Hi, it's me again, Nabil. This is the classwork that I put to teach you what. So as I told you earlier, so that how it is when it became dark, or the color change when it's really dark, like dark white. So that show is cooked. So what I have to do, I have to just add a little bit to moisturize it, so to make it not to be really crunchy, so to be soft as it be. So put the lid on to make the steam stay in, so for inside of it to become cooked, so instead of uncooked. So just couple minutes and that's it. So I have to open the lid again, so mix it, make sure that the steam go all over it. So instead of in one space, so it's go everywhere, or one place inside the bowl. So that's it. So add more water again and give it minutes to steam. So that's it. That's all of it. So this one is a one already done. This one, the first one that I show you, it's already done. It's not look exactly different. It's a bit different because the color is white, so it's become just a bit darker after it's cooked. So that's it for today. So I'm glad you guys get time to watch this repeated again. So this is my experience, or what I know to do. So I do know a lot, even in English, but so I'm really happy, or thinking of taking my time off, or busy time, so at the class, so to show you the classmates, you guys, to show you how different type of food all over the world is like. So that's it. So that's how it is. It's already done as you see it. So put it here, Baba. So that's it. That's how it is. If you feel like you just so one, it's already sour because we made it for a couple of days, put it in the fridge as I said earlier. So if you feel like you want a bit, you want the flavor of it, so you have to just add a bit salt. So not a lot, just a sip of it. So that's it. It's done. So it's good. It's ready to go.